Hello everybody, and welcome to another Hunger Games video. I am here again with my friend Keith216. Is it? I think.
Maple Keith
Yeah, Maple
on my
Keith.
YouTube channel.
Maple Keith has a YouTube channel.
That's my YouTube channel right there, Maple Keith.
Yeah, there's a YouTube channel there. It's called Maple Keith. Be sure to check it out, leave a like, and subscribe. And let the game. I'm not going to go in the middle, by the way.
Okay, I'm just running out. I don't care. Am I teamed up with this guy?
Oh my gosh, we forgot to team up with each other.
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm teamed up with this Tigercraft 915 guy. And I'm already down half a heart.
There's a glass wall there. It's like an invisible force.
Well, at least my team can win.
Shoot, my team will win.
I actually have a chance to win now.
What?
What?
Hey, I never said that about you.
Hey, it's not anything against you, okay? It's
What?
just...
You're always the first one to die!
I'm not always the first one to die.
Okay, occasionally I die first, but...
No, it's about even.
Seriously?
It's about an even split of...
Seriously?
It's about an even split of who dies first.
So, see, we suck the same amount. That's
Yeah.
the thing.
Yep. Sounds about right.
Oh yeah, got me some battle axes. Dun dun. Oh, another chest. This was not the best friend ever. Here soon, we're probably gonna add some block hunts onto our channel.
Yeah, so stay tuned for that if you heard Cameron from my channel.
Yep. We're gonna be naming each one different episodes. Like it's gonna be block hunt episode 1. That's gonna be that, and then this is gonna be Hunger Games episode. There's somebody near me. I'm gonna murder that.
I have 2 tracker compasses.
She knew I was coming!
Oh my gosh.
She was expecting me. She literally, like, got out of her, or stopped looking in her chest and started murdering me. Just flat out murdering me. Let's go see. Oh no, I went back to the hub. Oh.
Wow.
I'll wait for you.
You better wait for me or we'll both be not on the same thing anymore. It's gonna be kind of boring, so on Cameron's side.
Yep. Very boring.
Please, gold pants. Oh my gosh, I keep on finding the same gold armor over and over again. And that chest can't be opened, huh? Oh, it's already hidden here.
Dun, dun,
I still have a stupid cold. I'm trying to get over something like a cold or a fever or something, so. Now I have arrows, so I'm gonna be bowman person thing to die. I'm gonna die. Oh hi, border! Oh, you wanna fire exploding things at me? Oh, I don't know. See, I kind of like
think
living.
you could win.
So I like how you were the first one to die here.
I know, right? I hate dying first, but it ended up happening anyways. Or ended up happening. Not bad. I'm so tired.
Oh man, my team member died. Now I have no chance of winning this game.
Your likelihood of winning is slight to 0.
Is my the odds that I'm going to actually win? The odds are definitely not in my favor, and the odds that I actually win is 0.000000000, and 0 for 5 more minutes. 1. 9.
Is that really how you're going to describe this?
Yep, that's my likeliness. That's my likeliness that I'm actually going to. That I'm actually going to win.
Oh yeah.
Just gotta empty out this stuff this armor and stuff that really sucks in my inventory into a chest.
We need 6 more. Let me know when you die.
Okay. I'm never going to die.
Huh, that's what we all say.
I actually survived it in this a lot longer than last time though. The chests are about to refill, so.
I'm surprised you
Oh god,
in.
that's a person. I'm freaking antisocial, okay? I don't want to see anybody. I'm scared.
Are you dying?
No.
Then what was that scream for?
I'm scared.
Oh, okay.
I'm freaking antisocial. The chests are about to refill in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Oh boy,
2,
froze.
1. The chests have refilled in team deathmatch in 3 minutes.
You gotta be joking me.
I died. Okay. Well,
You died?
yeah, I died.
Alright, you wanna send me a...
Let me get in the same server as you at least.
Invite.
Yeah, invited.
Alright,
Bro.
let's go. Let's do this.
Okay, team or solo?
Team.
Okay. Advertisement.
Team up.
Yeah, that seems like too much work.
Where are you?
I am the person that is the Assassin's Creed guy. Oh wait, copyright now!
Where are you?
I'm over by the house that hasn't been finished.
So I'm guessing we're not on the team? Nope.
No, it clicked me! I tried getting out of the mess of people.
Well, I was in the middle of everybody.
Oh my gosh.
Or I was in the middle of spawn. Or you just spawn in.
Yeah, I was in there. Then I went around it so you could actually click me.
Oh well, now I have a chance of winning.
Oh god. No! Freaking biscuit, I dropped my sword. I accidentally hit Q.
Oh yeah, I got a fishing pole.
No, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Indeed. You do not have to angrily punch the bed.
Don't give away our location.
Oh yeah, that is giving our location away.
Yeah. You just gave away our location.
Huh. Great. Now somebody's gonna murder us.
Yeah. And it's all because of you.
I'm so sorry.
Where are you?
I don't know. I am nowhere but everywhere at once. What the heck?
No, I seriously can't see you on on the spectator thing.
There's pages.
Yeah, I know. I've went through every single page. You're not on it.
Huh.
Is there something you want to tell me?
Like what? I'm a god or something?
Something as in the words of I am de. You can finish it.
No, I'm alive.
Are you sure?
Are we even in the same game?
Yeah, because we were party members and I brought you into the... Are you serious?
Serious about what?
Okay, if you go into the middle, there are two people. Completely AFK. They're both alive, and you can kill them both.
I could kill 2 people.
Yeah.
Consider it done once I gather enough material for me to survive.
They're both AFK this whole entire game. They have not moved from their podium thing.
Oh my god. Why hasn't anybody killed them then?
I don't know. They were probably, I don't know, running away from spawn, trying to stay alive.
True that.
So you could act like you were, that you went on some sort of killing spree.
That moon is so, like, weird.
Actually, I kind of want to see if they could last until Team Deathmatch. One of them died. One of them is definitely dead. But this one isn't, so...
I'm sorry! Please! Leave me alone! Son of a biscuit! Let's go, let's leave this.
So after this episode, you want to make an episode of Prop Hunt?
I don't know.
Or Block Hunt, or whatever?
Kinda wanna just go to the one place.
Don't give our location away!
I wanted to go to a certain cement area.
And we're going to die.
Yes, we are. You got it 100% correct. Hey, where are you?
Dad?
Are you gonna join the lobby?
Oh. You died?
Yeah, I died. I said I died.
That's why I couldn't find you on the freaking server thing.
Don't forget to invite me to a party.
You're invited to a party.
Okay. Now let's get the game started again. This time, find me.
Cooldown time for 5 seconds.
Okay. As soon as we spawn in.
Okay. I'm not even gonna move. Click me.
I clicked you. Oh, you
Okay.
have to click me.
Get out of my way! Freaking.
Said I joined the squid.
Okay.
I am ready. This time we can win, okay? We can do this.
No, you can't.
You have no faith.
Yep. No
Me
faith.
neither.
Remember there was this one building that I spent the whole time in? and the building was stacked,
Oh yeah, run!
full of good stuff. There's no one around that doesn't want to kill me. Speaking of which, where are you?
Ah! I'm gonna die! I'm sorry! No!
Yes. So far, I died once, first, and you died twice first.
What do you mean? This is like our 4th game, dude.
Oh.
I think we died even.
See, told you guys, it's all even. It's an even split.
Let me know when you die. Oh wait, no, actually, I'll find you.
Potatoes!
Wait, are you dead?
No, I'm not dead. I'm punching potatoes at the second.
I found you.
Potatoes! And carrots.
You looked perfectly at me.
Really?
You're like crouched and you're like, potatoes.
I was trying to look at you. Huh. That was awesome. I didn't even know you were there.
So
I love potatoes.
I lost count on how many freaking Hunger Games we've done for this video.
Give us a death count for everybody for Hunger Games that we have died in, okay? At the end of this series, which is going to be in 1,000 episodes. We're gonna be here a while.
You realize if we do an episode a day, how awesome that would be? Let it upload while we're at school. Dang it! Why do I keep giving locations away?
I can't believe you.
I should have said we're like 29 or something.
Wow.
I'm sorry, I keep giving information away.
I kind of want to just tell them why we always cease the server 28.
Oh, is it because it's definitely not my favorite number?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the audience isn't stupid.
Yes, it's definitely not my favorite number. If anybody tells you it's my favorite number, totally believe them.
Wait, what?
I don't know.
Bed. Oh, yes, bed.
I wonder if anybody's gonna like pass you.
That's gonna be my.
You're sleeping.
That's gonna be my sneak attempt.
Yeah.
If someone gets close. Ah, bed. Parkour. Parkour.
I failed.
Parkour. Parkour. Ah! I fell. What is this?
Well, that blows up.
Ah!
Oh, no.
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so amazing. Dude, don't leave. Don't leave. Get back here. Dang.
It's way too much work for a door.
Wow. He seriously left. Wow. That's okay, dude. welcome back. Did you
I got
beat up
thirsty.
some stuff?
I got thirsty.
Oh. What? You got a Mountain Dew?
Copyright!
I meant you got a Mountain Rain.
Mountain rain, yes.
Yes, Mountain Rain.
Mountain rain. Everybody, give it up.
But you didn't
For
get
the
me
Mountain
Mountain Rain.
Oh, I forgot. In between episodes, you can get it. This is literally in the episode.
I know, right?
I left.
Yeah, you left Hunger just to go get a Mountain Rain and paid server 28.
Yeah. Okay, so
But
we went. I wonder if saying Mineplex is copyright.
Probably is, but I don't know.
Yeah, it's Minecraft. Copyright! Ah!
I think Minecraft should be the biggest game in the world.
Yeah.
I've been invited to party. I invited you to a party.
Oh, crap. Going back to Hub, I forgot to party you.
Seriously.
Yeah. I'm on server 28 and
Yes, I'm. Alright, let's do this last game.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure how long this video is.
Yeah?
It could be like eternity. Don't forget to click me. I clicked you.
Am I Forest?
Yes, you're Forest. Are you or am I Forest?
Yes, you're Forest.
Alright, let's go be a tree.
Yay!
What I've always wanted to be. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh!
What?
Ah!
Ah!
Okay.
I was inside somebody.
Me too.
I feel molested.
What? I feel like we're both going to die. A horrible, horrible death.
No.
Ah! Ah! Why? Why does this guy want to kill me? Oh, maybe because I was following you, by the way, and I died.
You died?
Yeah, I was following you, so that guy's in the same building.
A leather helmet.
A leather helmet? You have leather boots. And a gold helmet.
Yeah, I know.
You misled me.
Please, leave me alone.
Huh.
Is he following me?
Yes, that guy's following you.
Okay.
That guy's way faster than you. Somehow. Up, and he looks in a chest. And there's a girl now following you.
Man.
Hide in this corner. Or put yourself out in the open. Okay. Good plan. Good plan.
I'm running to this forest. This 100% C-list proof.
Seedless proof. It's like I come out of nowhere and apparently I resurrected myself. Kill you.
Wait, we're on the same team.
Change teams.
That should be impossible.
Yeah, it should. It is impossible. Ah, break the flowers!
Can you keep an eye out for me?
Yeah, sure. There is... Ooh, I wouldn't walk up this mountain if I were you.
Why?
The border is on the mountain. On the mountain. Yeah, you heard me.
I see it.
Yeah.
I'm running and running. Yeah. Oh, wait, I don't have any food.
You're running towards the border.
Actually, I'm running towards this house to see if there's anything inside of it.
Well, you were running towards the border, and the border isn't that far away. It's about, I don't know, 20 blocks per K. It's about 30 blocks away, and it's already starting to try and blow you up.
Yeah, I heard it.
And you're gonna be trapped in the house. I dropped down like Saint Nick. Darn it! I give locations away. Ooh, there's a chest on top of the house. It probably has something good in it.
I'm trying to get it. Got it.
I mean, on top of the house, on the roof. There's a chest. Yes, on the roof. And did you get this chest on the balcony too?
Yeah, I got the chest on the balcony.
Okay. Did you get the chest on the roof?
I'm trying. There's only so much I can do. There's no way to get up on top of the roof.
I wonder if you should just leave the chest alone.
No! I want the... You know what? I'm running away.
Yeah, the chest is blown up. My precious. I'm not my preciousing the chest. Can't be copyright, right? And the chest was consumed by the barrier. So,
for some reason, that sounds like everything is blowing up.
Yeah, that's because you just went to a house that was directly next to the house. You didn't move anywhere away from the border, and that was way too close.
Yes, I was.
What was in that chest?
An axe. I don't even know.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, I got another axe. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of some stuff in that.
The border is approximately 50 blocks away.
Okay.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
Do you think I can win?
No. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
That's great.
Oh, I hate this. Oh my gosh, I like my enthusiasm I have. You think I'm gonna win? No. You have 100% deathicity. Oh my gosh, there's a chest right here. Okay, Cameron?
What?
Okay, so what I want you to do is turn around. Okay? Now go forward. Now go around this mountain thing. And then go inside.
There was nothing in there.
Aw. Well, chests will be refilled in 30 seconds, so, I mean, however, you know, the border is 50 blocks away.
Do you think the border will reach me in 13 seconds?
No.
Okay.
But it's gotta be awfully close.
Yeah.
Chests have been refilled. What was in them?
The only thing is a leather and a TNT, throwing TNT.
Was it worth it? Something tells me that it was
I
worth
got a
it.
tracking compass.
Oh man, now you don't need me. No, you don't need me to tell you if someone's on the
There's a
roof.
player 86 blocks away from you somewhere.
You only have 3 uses on that.
Yes.
However, my tracking compass is unlimited uses.
Yes.
Oh God, there's someone pretty close to you in a building. I don't know exactly where, but I was just flying around, and I found the guy. There's 2 people in the middle, in the exact middle, with a dead person in the middle too.
Are they moving?
Yeah, they're moving around. They moved to this crane-looking thing right next to the border, and they're running back because of the border. Well, one of them is. The other one is just standing here in a diamond chest plate. Yeah, he has a diamond chest plate.
He sees me!
Are you kidding me? And this David guy, he's in a building not far. Now, where are you? I'm going to you. Okay, you're dead.
Yep, I'm dead.
But if you're lucky, you can take him down with you. You're gonna take him down with you.
Dang it. That's the longest. Should we watch this battle unfold? And then
Yes.
that'll be the end of this video?
The battle unfold. It's one team versus another team. And oh my gosh, this battle looks epic already. Because they're just standing across from each other.
Dang it, I knew I should have got somewhere higher.
Yeah? Up, and they're killing dogs. He killed his dog! Oh man, they definitely will kill him. Goodbye. Diamond won the game!
Dang. If it wasn't for that stupid barrier, I would have got away with it. Should that be the last one or one more?
One more game!
Yay! Hey, what team are you? Kitty!
I'm diamond and you are diamond, okay?
Okay.
I was right clicking you that whole time.
Yeah. Are you ready to win?
No, I need to be a brawler. Now I think we can win. Not.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go through the, hey, which portal should we go through? Red, blue, yellow, or green?
Red.
Alright.
It's right behind us.
Get ready, set, monkeys!
So, I have ran off. I'm just waiting at the bottom of the stairs. Someone has died already.
Yeah.
I'm waiting at the bottom of the stairs, okay? Tell me when you get to the bottom of the red portal stairs.
I think I don't even know if I went to red.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Hang on. No, I went to red.
Yeah, okay. Now, did you go to the bottom of the stairs?
Yeah, I'm at the bottom of the stairs.
Okay.
Alright, where should we go? We gotta run and hide.
Not that way. Not that way.
This is just horrible.
Oh yeah, look what I have. Ba-da-da! I have a player tracker. And a stone sword. Gonna murder. Okay. We are going this way. Glub, 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 glub. Okay, we're on land. Well, I am. I don't need to know about your safety.
Well, I think the closer we stick together,
The more menacing we'll look.
yes.
Because we'll look so menacing with my half leather armor and your one chain helmet will look so menacing.
I got the boots. Now I'll look even more menacing.
Oh yeah. We're gonna look so menacing to everybody else that they're not even gonna wanna face us. 10 seconds later, we're dying! We're dying! Hey, how would you like a stone sword, bro?
I love a stone sword.
Here, have it. I picked it up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And my stomach
Hey,
just
there's houses
growled.
down there.
Yeah?
Should we go down to them?
Yeah, once we could. Oh, that was a risky jump, but I made it. And it was for nothing. Okay, just jump into the water. Okay.
Oh yeah, I got an axe.
Oh, nice. I can twirl fish around. Twirl fish around.
I got another helmet, but that helmet sucks.
Yeah? Is it worse than yours?
Yes.
How is it worse?
It's made of leather.
Huh. Well, leather isn't too bad. Now, I feel somehow there's someone around here. I don't know. The houses are kind of opened and nothing in the chest.
I found a stone sword.
We already have stone swords. We need gold armor. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Where
Okay.
are you? Oh, there you are.
Let's go back up. Or somewhere. Let's just wander around to Narnia.
Yep.
So where's the wardrobe?
Oh my gosh. What if anybody hasn't seen that movie?
That's like the first 30 seconds.
Howdy!
Ah!
Did you jump in the water?
I was pushed in the water.
He's in the water!
Yeah!
I died.
Oh god, he's after me. At least I didn't die first.
I went back to the hub. Wow! I meant to go to my stupid compass. Did you just die?
Yeah.
Okay.
Back to hub.
Is that all?
Okay, everybody, thanks for your support on this video. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe.
Be sure to subscribe.
And we will see you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe. And bye.